Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about 5 best Samsung Smart TV apps. All right, let's begin. Here are 5 best Samsung Smart TV apps. If you want an all-in-one streaming solution with movies, TV shows, originals, and live channels, Samsung TV Plus is one of the best built-in apps. It's completely free, requires no subscription, and gives you instant access to news, sports, entertainment, kids content, and more right out of the box. For premium movies, shows, and exclusive originals, Netflix remains a must-have app on any Samsung Smart TV. Its massive library, personalized recommendations, and 4K HDR support make it perfect for binge-watching and discovering new content anytime. If you're looking for the biggest collection of movies and TV series from around the world, Amazon Prime Video is an essential app. It offers new releases, exclusive Prime originals, and rental options, along with support for 4K, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos on many Samsung models. If you want a strong replacement for YouTube, Disney Plus is one of the best alternatives. It offers premium movies, animated classics, Marvel and Star Wars content, National Geographic documentaries, and high-quality original series designed for families and entertainment lovers. If you want a free streaming alternative filled with movies, series, live channels, and classic content, Tubi is one of the best options. It has no subscription fees, offers thousands of titles, and works smoothly on Samsung Smart TVs, making it a great addition to your entertainment lineup. And that's it. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.